What type of carpet is best for pets? I have that question asked to me all the time. So you have so many options in here that are pet-friendly options. Carpet has come a long way since the days of Stain Master and all those type of topically applied stain protections. What people have to understand is back in the days, nylon was very, very popular. You're starting to see less of it. And the reason is because with nylon carpet, it would absorb stains and spills very easily. So you had to have a topically applied solution to it, which typically was like your Stain Master products, Anso Stain Protection, where was a company called Blvd, that were all topically applied stain protections. Now, what goes on must come off. So what happens is every time you got your carpets professionally cleaned, about 20% of that carpet cleaning product that was topically applied came off. So after you had your carpets cleaned, about 5 times, most of that stain protection is gone. So people that say, oh, I had my carpets clean, but they don't get clean anymore. Well, that's the reason. You probably had a nylon carpet that the stain protection is all washed off, so you can't get it clean anymore. The products that they have available now, like Mohawk has Smart Strand Forever Clean. This is an all pet-friendly product. This has been around for over 20 years, I think about 24 years now, and it is a tried and true product. I had this product in my house, and it held up to my pets. It held up to my kids as they were growing up, and it was a wonderful carpet, cleaned up easily. Again, I just used a little white vinegar diluted in water to clean up the spots or spills out of it. Cleaned up perfectly. Now you have Shaw's Pet Perfect carpet. What they offer with their Pet Perfect carpet is they have this patented blue backing on it. And what that does is when you spill something on this carpet, it doesn't go through this backing on the carpet. So when you see this blue backing, you know you have a pet-friendly carpet. So that's a beautiful thing. You don't want your spills to go down through the carpet and into the padding where that stain can never be retrieved back out. It's very difficult to get a spill that goes down into, think of it, a wet, dirty sponge underneath your carpet, to get that back through this backing and back through, out of the pad, back through this carpet and back through the top of this surface of the carpet. With Dreamweaver carpet, they have a product called Pure Color. Pure Color is a solution dyed polyester fiber, and what that means is that the color goes all the way through the yarn. So it's encapsulated, the yarn is encapsulated completely by the color, and it doesn't get stained. So this is a highly durable carpet as well. But really what the key is using a cushion and a padding that has a moisture barrier on it. You can see the backing is different than the front, and this is a skin that's on top of the padding. So if you do get a carpet that doesn't have that moisture protection backing on the back of the carpet, this is your layer of defense. So when you have a spill or anything, it won't go down into the backing. You won't have pet odors that go down into the padding. And also, when you get your carpets professionally cleaned, you know how they want you to wait until your carpet is dry? Well, you feel the carpet, yeah, that could be dry, but your pad could be saturated. So when you walk across your carpet and you're squishing on it, that moisture's coming back through that carpet, and what happens? That's dirty padding that you have underneath, and now people always say, hey, I just had my carpets clean and they look dirty already. Well, that's because your pad wasn't able to dry out, because we get impatient when we want to put all our furniture back. And that moisture now was forced back up through into the carpet again, and now you have soiled carpet. So really, Padding is key. Also, the quality of the padding is key to how long your carpet will last, which benefits you as well. So these are things that you want to look for when you are shopping for carpet as far as pet-friendly applications go or products go, and great choices. So make sure you get a good quality pad and a carpet. All these carpets carry pet warranties, which have never really been offered before, and you're finding more of them on the market. So great choices when it comes to carpet.